Hey Dor, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas, and I was talking with Angela about this short video that I put together for you guys about these three things that I found in your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating a Lars Remodel. These guys are the top competitor that you have right now online when somebody looks for San Diego kitchen remodel. These guys are on the top right here on the map, and even though they're the fourth result right now on the organics, in no time they'll be at the very top. And you'll see why at the end by the end of this video. But anyways, by fixing these three things that I'm gonna tell you right now, you'll be able to beat them with no problem and secure those two first spots with no issues. All right. So you may wonder why I put this video together for you, and it's because I know a lot of business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers. I didn't really have time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's really hard to know who's an expert and who's not. Okay. So I like to make these educational videos and send it to business owners. And a lot of them, they take this information and they put it in practice themselves. But some of them, they contact me and they have me doing it for them. So that said, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the video. I'm gonna tell you about the three main things that the Google search engine uses in order to rank a website on the very top of Google here and here, okay? Those would be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is basically everything that is in your website. See that you already have a pretty good amount. It's all the pictures, all the text, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. So when I take all the content on your website and I paste it here, I see that you have 586 words, okay? Usually Google on pages that they rank at the very top, they like to see about 2000 words of keyword rich content. So when I take your competition here, you can see that these guys have about 1500 words, okay? And their content is really keyword oriented. That is really important, okay? Because if you don't put the keywords, you cannot be found for it. You might put 40,000 words, but you need to put those keywords. And those keywords are basically the terms that people are looking up on Google regarding your services. So by looking up and making some research on which terms regarding your services people are looking up the most, you are able to drop those couple times on the content that you have on your homepage on those 2000 words. So when people look it up, Google is able to find your website and show it to them. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is backlinks. Backlinks is basically another website mentioning a link to your website. So when somebody clicks it, it drives the traffic back to your site. Google on that one works kind of like a popularity contest. Okay, they love to see a bunch of relevant pages vouching for you. And that means that it's not the same as you can maybe imagine that a website that talks about shoes gives you a backlink, or a website that talks about food, that if another remodeling company gives you a backlink. Okay, on the eyes of Google, when you have websites on your same niche giving you backlinks, that is way more powerful and gives you more power and trust in order to rank up here. So by implementing those 2000 words with keyword rich content and a good strong backlink profile, you'll be ranking here in no time. How you check backlinks, for example? We use a tool called Ahrefs here in Pulper Room that when I put your website here, it tells me that you have 37 referring domains. This means that you have 37 websites that mention your website in them. When you go to your competition, you can see that they have 73. So how can you catch up with them and also build more? The easiest way is you go here, you go check the referring domains, and it's as simple as you copy them. You go through every single one of all these websites, you make a profile, and you put a link to your website on that profile. Sometimes what you need to do is email the owner of the website and they do it for you, but the same. Just copy every single one. If these links are good to rank them, they're good to rank you. And then on top, you can add some more. As the more powerful, the better, in order to completely beat them so they cannot catch up with you and you'll be securing that first spot on the organic results. Last thing I want to talk about right here is the citations. Okay, citations is what gets you on the Google Mag Pack right here. And this is completely free. Okay, all you need to do is get more citations than your competition. And a citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. So directories are like yellow pages, white pages, Yelp, Facebook, NG, ours, all those kind of things. There's thousands out there, so you just need to get more than your competition. So you use any tool that is out there to check how many citations they have. I would do the same with the backlinks. I would copy those citations plus add maybe an extra 100 more, at least. So you make sure that that way they make really hard to catch up with you whenever they realize that you outrun them. Okay. And then, well, that's it. That's what I have for you. If you're interested in growing your business online and beating your competition, I'll recommend you either if you do it by yourself or with my help, that you start as soon as possible because implementing all this takes some time. And the sooner you finish, the sooner you're gonna get all that extra business and all those extra calls. Okay. And then I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I taught you some new things that you didn't know. And yeah, if you're interested, as I said, please give me a call. Feel free anytime. And the only thing I ask you for, if you don't mind, is give me a little feedback. That would help me tremendously. Thank you.